Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your clips turn from a black and white into color using CapCut. So in here you can start by adding your clips like this. So as you guys can see here, my clip is currently in color. And let's use the CapCut effects. So go to effects, video effects, then choose opening and closing, and in here you can just scroll down until you find this effect. So I use this effect to turn my video from black and white into color. Scroll down and you'll see this effect to color. So click on that effect. You can see now the video is from black and white will turn to color. Let's adjust the speed. I'm going to slow it down so that the black and white will go longer. Click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the length. So let's see the preview first. So now the video is black and white and it will gradually change into color. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.